I feel
Take off the wing them. You see you have too much wing.
Yeah.
By your nose about to fly.
I true me, I was slapping my nose like how Rebel do it.
Yeah man, your nose have to go in.
That me have got to do too.
Yeah, push it in, man. No, so hello. Look here, leave it alone. You're squashing it. Leave it alone. Take on the nina no of it. You know, of it, kneel up. Oh my God, little Miss Piggy. She be a true say you all the time. And a rocket science and multiple choice. Everybody born with the idea. Sandy, thank you, yeah, my baby. Thank you, my baby. Sandy, me say me there yesterday a while ago. Me I said, Jesus. Me dey pan live for over 4 hours now, Sandy. And nobody gave me anything. And me sit down saying, and me I say, I wonder if a team bless me I work with. Me just don't get so worried and I wonder. Thank you, yeah, Sandy Porter. She be a little pregnant, me I breed for your son. I see me still here saying water drop out of me here in a Sandy. And I say, Sandy, I still here say, look how me day and I tell the people my problems. And them would not even jump up together and ensure say me get over my struggles. And you know somebody right here, so I may talk all long, my baby, and no one look at me. Not a line, not a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. I'ma say to myself, say, boy, it look like a dry season. I'ma say, I'ma play some song. Me not look for one, you know. You know, me not look for one, no. Me not looking at Uno. Me not looking at Uno. Oh, and as me I say, my love, I say, Sandy, I sit down here say, you know, and a long time discovered upon the life, you know, and Crystal, and Shaneke, and them just a look in my mouth, a look in my mouth, a look in my mouth, and all me I talk to them. Then just a look in my mouth and I go on the most way. Sandy, I say you are heaven sent. Anyway, yeah, I come from. Nobody go back, they stay right here, so don't move a muscle. Yeah. And me I tell you, say, me I go through it. Me I go through it, and from the day on, you know, me I explain to the people them how me I go through it. Me go through it, you know. Me go through it. Yeah. I work. Me not care how way I do. Come sit up on the life about 4 hours now. I'll tears me cry. And you gonna tell me say the whole I wanna ignore me. The whole I wanna ignore me. All I wanna. I feel hurt. I feel hurt. Me nah lie. I feel hurt. Ooh. I'm afraid for look. Yeah. I say me sit down on the live, Crystal, Shanake, Pink Patty, Rockstar, and the whole of them there, and not even a rose. Not even a rosemary. Sky Queen, me not full of man problem like you. Move your body, man. Move. Somebody say, a man look hungry. And any see me a drinking, my baby. And me just don't eat one fried fish and plantain. And any see me a drink. And you tell me, say me look hungry, and you and your mother hungry, you know. You see how life can throw some wicked curveball upon you know. Can you go tell me, say me look hungry, and me dey right here, so I drink any say. And me just don't eat one fish. And could I give him the bone in, but I'm not black him. Yeah? And yeah, come attack. Me look anywhere me want look me in the comfort of my home. Me I so into your house comfortably enough to dress up and muggle on the things them because you know say I suck your sock feet and sell your all. You not have to muggle on them. Eh? I wanted that boy there after him see me in my story. And little most me nearly rank, you know. Well, little most me rank. And the boy just come show me if a wicked dirty people them, you know. I fight against me, you know. I fight against me, man. I want planting to a 3 bills I want for planting. Then what away your chest eye. Everywhere I go you find me.
So me can't find you, so me see you dash me, you know.
No, me not dash you away. Me not dash you away one time, man. You know long me not see them box up me there. What are you drinking?
Some orange juice me I drink.
It look like you have a relationship over there. You're starting to change, man. Life I take you hard, man. The rent a beat you.
Life I beat me hard, you know, yeah.
All facial hair you have. Oh my God, you're mature fast.
Hard life.
So what's that you're drinking?
I want box juice me I drink.
What name, Bonjour?
Yeah, bonjour.
Like, you don't even know what that is about you drink it.
So I drinking a fruit juice, so I have to just drink it.
Hello, says one you run off, because you go like you get citizenship for 10 years.
No, I'm not run off.
Then what time you coming back?
So come back.
Then you remember where you used to live, you know, think don't this a change. You know here, so we get storm. Which part you come from, them a develop it.
Some of them must remember where me usually live.
You sure you can identify it? You buy a car yet, put down here?
Buy car, me not make no money on TikTok.
So not far in you there?
For me there, yeah, but me not make no money. You see a TikTok me I live off of.
So come here, you not have no relationship over there?
No, me not have no relationship.
So you not find nobody else now, the way you do with your come? I little boy, man, you know?
Live a club.
You not find nobody?
No, me not find nobody. Just a dog down the place.
You mean you sell things?
No, me buy. I go to a club when me on here. I want release oil.
Hello, then which part you get money from?
You see cheap in at $21 for a broken off for 15 minutes.
21 US dollar?
Yeah, $21 for 15 minutes.
So you fix with timing? I pay boot camp crutches here, by.
No, so when I go there, I just buy 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Then you know about that kiss up. You just ram. Sometimes you know last 30 minutes, sometimes you last 5 dollars. So she give back change?
No, I'm just give them the dead $21. So me I will kiss up go for you feel me careless and slack.
I'm just asking. So why you take half an hour and you know so you not take so long for come? Suppose you come in at 5 minutes. So she not give back your change?
I will just go by tell her part and we just give them the money, then give you the condom and just give you a room key. And when the time up and so then just press a buzz it and you know say your time up. And if you
but you not take so long for come, so when you in the room and do so long? What you do you tell her about your struggles?
No, I mean I take long for come.
You not take no long for come. You're happy go lucky.
No, me no weak jelly but me a young boy and something for come so fast.
They not wanna come quick enough because of phone, nobody full of grabber. Me love.
No, I no smoke grabber and so remember say you have to wind up in the belly, you have to stab.
But you can't wine, Tycoon. Tycoon, you cannot wine. The other day, me say you cannot wine. So what you really do? All of you see?
Me can't wine in the belly. Me can't wine in the belly.
No, you have the best things them in your thoughts.
No, me can't wine in the belly. Me can't move my waistline.
Stand up and show me how you wine in the belly.
Me can't wine in the belly.
Stand up and show me.
Me can't wine in the belly. Me goes when me have so me goes so. Disgrace myself. Let me start disgrace myself.
Come here. Come here, they're foreign, you know, for put yourself together. Why you dressed like me? Then you know, say them do something.
I close this me.
And when you close, why you dressed like me?
Why me I dress like you?
Because me say you stand up a while ago and me I wonder what is what.
No, a yard clothes settings. Me
All
just
when a yard close.
yard clothes settings. Me not just sold me a goat. Me
Man.
just like a foreigner. Just like a,
Oh,
yeah.
oh God. So come here, like what you do over there, so you now do your nose.
Me not have no, me I make money for do nose. You know, see people, right, me have like people them say me not admit my sexuality. I mean, I tell them say me never lay down with a man. Yeah.
What you say?
The people them cancel me because them say me not admit my sexuality.
Can you never lay down with a man?
Yeah.
Maybe them see you a man a dream. Me don't know if you not stand up on a dream. Me don't know. Maybe them see it.
Yeah, don't fit do my nose answer. But nothing wrong with my nose.
I'm sorry. Your nose fever and some gunman foot. You ever seen foot yet? I saw your nose look.
No, I'm not really watching.
Yeah, it just.
No, watch Rosalie foot door.
You're not thinking. You not think nothing wrong with your nose, Tycoon.
No, nothing wrong with my nose.
You know, if I were you, I would be sleeping in clothespin.
Why?
Tycoon, you know, feel like the two wing part of your nose, them one clip. Tycoon, you know, look abnormal to you.
If you go slap in my nose and say, nah, go spoil me up.
Spoil it up. Oh, but your face not ready. You done spoil already. Hmm? How worse can you get? Take off the wing them. You see you have too much wing on your nose. Your nose about to fly.
I true me, I go slap in my nose like how Rebel do it.
Yeah, man, your nose have to go in.
Yeah, true. Like how Rebel slap in for your nose. That me have to do too.
Yeah, push it in, man. No, so, hello. Look here, leave it alone. You're squashing it. Leave it alone. Take one, then you don't know if it, need up. Oh my God, little Miss Piggy.
Can't do that, man. My nose alright, man. My nose alright.
Yeah, man, your nose alright. Your nose alright for sure. It's so want a wheelchair.
You're good at now, Shebada. Oh, your background change, so I did love the first background, you know.
You like when me did look depressed.
No, that I never depressed. Me did love when I dip on the fridge top.
Why you like when me dip on the fridge top?
The fridge top bring more vibes and so.
Hard life, you see, you like hard life. Well, right here now, me large and in charge, me they are foreign. Me they are foreign, me large and in charge.
Folk are life, I don't know, me have your name sugar dumpling like Shay.
You know look bad, like who?
No mother say like Shay, but me no look.
Yeah. You're not gonna chat my friend Shay when all is said and done, you're not gonna chat my friend Shay, you know?
Me not chat Shay, me not chat.
It best you chat Queenie, but not Shay.
The parrot in the background.
Oh my Lord, like when the Chinese restaurant them drop them pattern pan here. Ping bang bong bong. That's so she go. Yeah, I who this boy move the pillow. You know see my man dey on the live.
They want you to move the pillar for.
And that means say
They want to see you look fat.
yeah, we can't do that. Like them a disrespect me. We not disrespect my mans.
I'm going to say I'm alone say a fat. Yeah.
Yeah, ciao. I want thing with my money name, I want me. I want. Tycoon, me I come look for you now.
You come up for true?
No, me I come look for you for true. But it's when I come, me know nobody knows I come.
Nobody know that.
No, me no want nobody knows me there Panama. Here, make sure say nobody else from Jamaica no live in your complex.
I'm not live with Jamaican, I'm not like Jamaican people.
Yeah, Tycoon, I want come look for you. Me don't know if me go spend a night and me go just spend half a day with you. But me I come for sure.
Life is a treat you, but life always a treat you go do.
Tycoon, me I come look for you, me I come a Panama.
You know, feel Jaden I go back.
Who care about that nasty thinking Jaden? Who care about him? Hey Tycoon, me no want that boy there, you know. You know me no want that boy there. And you me really want, you know. Then you think I could have ever want Jaden? He might look me, yes. But when I think on the level, you're more face boy than him. I said to myself, Tycoon, I said, Jaden, it is not working out. And you know, say him still want me. I'm tell him to have my man already. Him ask who. And when I says you, him laugh. Boy, that boy Jaden is nothing but trouble.
Like him see something him like.
I'm a good, you know.
You're good, man.
Him say me ears say me tight. I say, who tell you that? Him say I saw him ear pan the get a grapevine. People really talky these days, eh? Then Tycoon, you look like you vex, so.
No, me no bex. Me no bex, yes. No, me no bex. I'm right now my belly full.
Eh.
Yes,
I'm
just
thinking you hungry, you know.
come from barber shop.
So what you say, you got page the boy Jaden for me?
Page boy Jaden. Him know him place already. Me not have no time for a page him.
Oh, so what you do? You delegate. Eh? I blush, yeah, I blush.
No, I blush, I blush.
Hey boy, you like me, you know. Me say you just a steer for me, so my body I go through many things. You want go on otherwise, Tycoon, may just sit down so like we just a meet. And you go like in the army. I'ma miss you.
Otherwise, everything I go on otherwise, man. Yeah.
I'm gonna play one match.
You can play a song.
Yo, me know say that you well want though. And that you well want when I go like you're smart. Me see it by your nose. Me see it on your nose. And I'm not begging for you today. I'm not begging for you today, cause every day I come me beg for you. Oh, show me emotion, sha-la-la-la-la. Draw out your army. Draw out your army.
Chat me can't be gonna sort the chat. God.
Yeah. Make them know say you run off and you're stuck. Call it out, man, Tycoon. You go like you're cute, you rub your face and you know stick up half of your face. Thank you. Me know what my man Tycoon feel away in a godchild. Thank you.
2 times the chat. Thank you so much, your pinky pal. Chat me can't be gonna soap on. Chat can't be gonna soap on 2 times the chat. Chat can't be gonna soap the chat. Thank you so much, your pinky pal. Chat me can't be gonna soap the chat. Chat me can't be gonna soap the chat. Thank you so much, for the galaxy there. Thank you so much, there. Thank you so much, Thank you so much, lady.
Me don't know how them do it.
Thank you so much for the galaxy, this Shana. Thank you so much. God, Shana, you look nice. Thank you so much,
Thank
Shana.
you, no.
Thank you, no.
Yeah, no man, Tycoon a lead. Backside wall. Tycoon, you have gifters, man. No man, me a take things for granted. No man. This I get out of hand.
Thank you so much, thank you
I want
so
you to share over there. Thank you, yeah, Sandy. Why? Why the girl say this? I hate the girl there. I want to notify. Nasty Queenie. Wouldn't send out the rent yet. Why? I wonder if I share Queenie over there. I wonder if I share Queenie over Tycoon. I don't like this. Oi. Shatter better reach me. Oi. I don't like that setup here. Yeah. I want the biggest match this of the century. I never know. Oh, we're dropping an ant match. Oh, Jesus. I'll at Tycoon again. No, man. Oh, God. Tycoon, I lead my people. No, man. No. Then over here, so. Over here, so. Over here. Tycoon, I will know not to play no more match with you tired. And you laugh off your stinking face, dirty boy. Nobody laugh off your dirty face. Yes. It seems like I'm coming up yonder. I'm coming up yonder.
Respect the Lord. Respect the sweet.
Yes.
The chat.
Why? 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 I'm gonna get at now. I'm not feel no way. We're gonna snipe. We're at the.
Can't be gonna snipe the chat.
Yeah.
Can't be gonna snipe the chat.
We're gonna snipe.
Snipe,
we're
chat.
Snipe.
Snipe.
On the drum crow. Yeah.
you so much, Shana. Thank you so much, Lady Jen. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Please,
Thank you
so
guys so very much. Thank you guys, one and all and one. Thank you guys. Me said that match intense a while ago. Afraid you see. I never know say so much shooter Tycoon have. Jesus, thank you. Father God, you do it again. Lord, you do it again. Oh Jesus, thank you. Thank you guys. Oh, this about one more. One more, me never see not even send a rose. Eh? Oh Jesus, the match intense a while ago. Who them about one more game? Boy, I'm tired. I'm tired. Jesus.
Oh, you look like you out of shot. You have shot a bread, sir.
So no more, I'm nervous a while ago. You see, Tycoon. I'm nervous a while ago. I'm nervous. I'm
You know
nervous.
your people them not gonna make you lose. You know say not gonna make you lose.
We afraid of match. Oh, I'm nervous. No, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Hey. Oh God. Yes, one more. Yes, one more. No, I'm afraid. No, I'm afraid. Tycoon, when you send me back my shot, you think you're funny? I'm afraid. No, Tycoon, I win a while ago, people. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Oh God, make me be quiet. I can't talk. Woo. Woo. Tycoon, me not play no more match after this year.
Yeah, last one is.
Yeah, me not play no more match. No man. They not so people still on the live and play a match. Eh?
Yeah.
One name first 3 gift point. Me don't know one name so.
Chat me can't be going so open 3 times there, chat. Chat me can't be going so open 3 times there.
When them say the first 3 gift point. Me don't know what them say. What that mean? Oh God, I'm nervous. Oh.
Chat me can't be going so open 3 times there, chat. Respect for you doing not there, I'm chocolate.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, tired. I'm tired. Oh. Oh, and this them say first triple chat. First triple chat. And that them for say yes, so? And that them for say Tycoon?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, she said triple chat, yeah.
And that them for say? And like, triple chat. Triple, and that them for say you too lie. So where you wipe your mouth for?
And that you say for true. She like it 2 times there come here now.
So where you say, first triple two chat. First triple two chat. First triple two chat. First triple two chat.
Chat me can't be gonna rose at the chat. Chat me can't be gonna rose at the chat to catch his speed.
First triple two chat. There's not so much something for to study. First triple two chat.
Chat me can't be gonna rose at the chat. Thank you so much on my side. Thank you so much, Pinky Pat.
Something I forgot to see 2 points start.
They're going to so pan 2 times the chat. 2 times chat. 2 times chat.
First triple 2 points in starting soon.
Chat me can't be going to so pan 2 times.
First triple 2 points in starting soon.
Thank you so much, Pinky Pat.
First triple 2
points. Can't be going to
in
so pan 2 times the chat. 2 times chat. 2 times chat. 2 times chat. 2 times chat.
Yes, Dana K. First triple 2 point gifting point. 2 gifting points. First triple 2 triple point. 2 triple. First triple 2 point. 2 triple gifting point.
That me can't be going.
First triple 2 point triple.
That me can't be going so pan triple. Thank you so much, Shana for the wheel. Thank you so much.
You get wheel. First triple 2.2 gifting points. First triple 2.2 gifting point. First triple gifting
times chat.
Can't bother with them something in man. Tycoon me not play no more game. Me not playing any more match. Me not playing no more match. Cause me can't bother remember all of that. First triple point 2 gifting points. First triple point 2 gifting point. Me can't bother with all of that in a Tycoon. Me not play no more. First triple point 2, triple point 2 gifting points.
That me can't be gonna snipe. No, Chat me can't be gonna snipe there.
Me can't bother with them something here.
Shady me can't be so there's shady. Chat nobody now no gloves there chat. Nobody now no gloves chat. I say begging.
Me can't keep up on them something here, you know. Tycoon, me not play no more match, you know. As the match done, you go on your yard, you know. Oh. As the match done, you go on your yard. Cause me not play no more match. Cause me can't even remember them something here. First triple point, two triple point, gifting, two. First triple point.
Chat nobody now have no gloves.
First triple point, two triple point,
Nobody now have no
triple point.
gloves. I got that shit.
Me I read what me saying, and I can't believe. Me I read what me saying. I who this in here, so now I give me more things to say. First triple point, two pan the gloves, gifting points. Come and see somebody said gloves. First triple point, two triple. When the match are done, how much more leave for the match? 30 seconds?
Get 28 seconds now.
Me can't, me not understand, me that hurt me now. This just get you irritated for nothing.
Me can't be gonna snipe the chat.
I'll snipe too. Thank you, too cute, too sweet. See gloves there. We won't go broke him out. Where gloves though? See gloves there.
Just boost up the score. Chat.
To my
Can't be
boots.
gonna snipe. I say big enough. Alright, thank you so much on my side.
Yeah, thank you so much, my side. First triple point, two triple point, three gifting points. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, people. First triple point, two triple point, three point, triple two gifting points.
On my side. What you see now? Go on me yard.
Me nah play no more match, Tycoon. Go on in your yard.
Yeah, me a go on me yard. Me a
Go on in your yard. Bye bye. Bye bye. Me not playing any more match. Oh. Me don't heard me see. First triple point. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so very much. Me don't heard me see people. No. Thank you. Cause me no know. Me not cut out for play match. Me don't cut out for play match. Me can't bother study so much something. Yeah, first triple point, two triple point, three triple point, gifting points. No so. I let me see come up on the board. Thank you guys so very much. Well, I never met my man win me. Thank you guys so very much. I never know a son like me, you know. You know me, I going to cry when I'm done. Me, I going to ball when I'm done. Yeah, me that hurt me. Me that hurt my real bad man. Me no want play no more match. Yeah? You got chat for free. What that mean? Me got chat for free. What you mean by me got chat for free? Me that hurt me? What you mean by me got chat for free? Yeah? Yeah? What you mean by me got chat for free? We love you, Shibby, yes, we don't care. Aye, we don't care, aye. You struggle too big, auntie. Me don't know how the supper go. When me first say first triple point, three triple point, three triple point, gifting points. When me first say in the match, me can't bother play no match. Me don't want play no more match. Me don't want play no match. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Me not play no more match. Me not playing anymore. Me not play no more. Cause me can't bother study so much something. Me either hurt me. And there's something that come up and I go, yeah, first triple point, two triple point, three triple point, gifting points. Me can't bother. Can't bother remember so much something. Then there's some people that I go on. Yeah, you rank 24. Me rank 24, which pa? Eh? Aye! Look here! The last time Jaden ranked, Shay said them out for kill him. Take me off of the ranking. Take me off of the ranking. The last time Jaden ranked, Shay come out with the morgue. Take me off of the ranking. Yeah, officer Snipe. Snipe no come in a PUBG, not PUBG. Grand Theft Auto. Just say shoot. And TikTok go block me. Eh? Me they are number one in C3. Kakafat, what is C3? What kind of detention center that? I who put me in a C3? I who put me in a C3? What C3 mean? C3 a category 3? Hold on there. People with C3 mean category 3? Look here, me can't do the mix up here. That come suck me. TikTok come lava juice me. Can't do them something. People me can't come back later. Me that hurt me. Me not playing no more match, you know. Me not playing anymore. Me that hurt me for sure, you know. Me that hurt me. I wonder if Tycoon did a bun candle. Tycoon called me back. I want to ask if he did a bun candle. Call me black. Somebody say me not sell black tree. So I'm come out there, sir. So I'm come out there sell black. Me don't want nobody put me in a sell black on TikTok. Me no want nobody put me in a cell block, so I'ma come out of this, sir. Martin, inbox me and tell me I'ma come out of cell block. Inbox me, Martin. Me no want nobody put me in. Me not play no more match, cause when I play a match, me something them are going into too much different something. Yeah. Me no want play no more match. Me no want nobody come from my program, come send me a match request. Me no want nobody put me in a cell block either, cause some man are crosses. Some man are crosses on the app. Me no want nobody put me in a cell block. Me not play no game, we don't know. Me in a game. Me in a no game. No put me in a cell block. My program is not about game. And when me tell you something. If you're not gonna shoot for me, don't shoot for me and put me in a cell block. Me no want go in a cell block. Me not doing it. Oh. And I treat somebody said 3 days like a 3 days. Me have to stay in there. Me not staying in there. Me not going on a cell block. Me don't want to play no game. We don't know.
Cell block.
Me not playing. Me no want nobody come from my program with no problem and send me a match. Don't send me no match, because when you don't send me match, me no want my program go in and no cell block and in and no itch up. And me can't come live properly. Now send me no match. Me dey on my program, me no want play no match with nobody. Correct, you know, see them say me in a cell block. When me are doing a cell block? No, I love prisoner, but me no want them put my program in a cell block. Me no want my program going in a cell block. Me know what? Me there number 22. Oh, me there me back at me. Take me out of the block same way. Take me out of the block same way. Me not play no more match. This is them say me there on the 3rd floor.
I resin.
Me there on the 3rd floor.
I resin.
So how much more floor me have to go? How much more floor? How much more? Thank you, that, cause you not have no name, that. Yeah. How much more floor me have to go? 19. 21. 21 floor. 21 floor me have to go. Me not doing it. People me love now. Me not playing no more match. Me not playing no. Me restart my phone and see if me can drop out of the cell block. Me love now. I love you guys. Me see if me go restart my phone and see if me can drop out of the cell block something. Me a call Martin. Me no want going on a cell block. Thank you, that. Yeah. Yeah, me a call Martin. Me no want going on, me not play no more match. Yeah. Me love on you. Yeah, thank you guys so very much for putting me into cell block. Thank you for putting me into cell block. I'm not doing this again. More, one NEC. One NEC. No, I love on later. The restart with L because I restart my phone. I love on me not like this. Me not playing no more match with them. Love on later.